Google Penguin. Google Penguin was released on the 24th of April 2012. Following on the heels of Panda, the Penguin update was announced by Google as a new effort to reward high-quality websites and diminish the search engine results page presence of websites that engaged in manipulative link schemes and keyword stuffing. The initial rollout of Penguin impacted 3.1% of English language search engine queries between 2012 and 2016. The filter went through 10 documented updates, evolving over time and influencing the SEO community understanding of the problematic practices Penguin sought to address. As of early 2017, Penguin is now part of Google's core algorithm. So Penguin triggers. Penguin targeted two specific practices. The first is link schemes, which is basically the acquisition or purchase of backlinks from low quality or unrelated websites, creating an artificial picture of popularity and relevance in an attempt to manipulate Google and give the site higher rankings. For example, an insurance company in London could fill the internet forums with spam comments linking to itself as the best insurance company in London, falsely inflating its appearance or relevance with these unnatural links. Or the same company might pay to have links reading best insurance company in London appear on unrelated third-party articles about dog grooming, content that has no relation to the topic whatsoever. The second thing Penguin addressed was keyword stuffing, which is populating a web page with a large number of keywords and constantly repeating that keyword in their content in an attempt to manipulate the rankings for that web page. For example, if you owned an insurance company in London, what people used to do back in the day was literally put the keyword on the page 100 times. So insurance company London, insurance company London. As a result, the content never read naturally at all. However, the web page ended up ranking really highly as Google thought this page was the most relevant to this keyword, as this website mentioned that keyword the most times. And what Google Penguin did was come in and fix that. So if you've been hit by Google Penguin, how can you recover? It's the same process as figuring out if you've been hit by any Google algo update. You simply need to match up any traffic drops with the date the algorithm was released. With this one, you need to be a little bit more careful and ensure your traffic drop did indeed drop from the update and not because you received an unnatural links manual penalty from Google, which is a completely different thing to an algo penalty. Manual penalties are manual actions by Google. Algo penalties are when your site tanks because of an algorithm update. So if you have been hit by a Google Penguin, recovery is pretty straightforward. Like any Google algo update, to recover, you simply need to ensure you are not implementing what the algo was intended to go after. For example, participating in link schemes and keyword stuffing. Do bear in mind you can accumulate a list of toxic backlinks through a negative SEO attack, which if you have them, then you want to disavow them and follow the steps I showed you in the negative SEO section of the course. Additionally, Google staff John Muir called Penguin a site-wide algorithm, meaning that the presence of a large number of low-quality links pointing to one page on your site could result in a reduction of Google's trust in your entire site, which makes it even more important to ensure you're building high-quality backlinks to your website. If you follow the techniques I've taught you in the link building section of this course, then Penguin shouldn't be an issue for you.